Hey folks, it's Papa Texas Papa's Kitchen. In this episode of Papa's Kitchen, it's about a barbecue sauce. And my buddy Craig over at Behind the Garage Barbecue is going to create it for you because he does a fantastic job. You should go check out his channel if you don't know it. He creates his own recipes and he tweaks them and changes them. But I planned on doing coffee rub ribs today, and I just saw he has a video, coffee rub ribs. He makes his own sauce at the end. Y'all watch Craig. His link is down in the description. I'll have it on the end also. Enjoy Craig making this awesome sauce. I'll leave the recipe that he has in the link below, or go check his video out at the end of this. I'll see you in a little bit.
All right, let's get a coffee bourbon sauce rolling. I got 1 cup of black coffee, starting to simmer just a little. I'm gonna come back with a 1/2 cup of bourbon. Use your favorite. That's looking good right there to me. We'll bring it back with 2 tablespoons of an apple cider vinegar. That looks good right there. A little whack of Worcestershire sauce. Maybe a teaspoon. Now we get about a 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and also a teaspoon of our coffee rub. We're gonna get that all into the pan. Now you know I'm gonna throw in some Bob's Beef Barf. I'm going for about 2 or 3 tablespoons. That's looking good right there to me. We're just gonna wanna mix this all in. You can already pick up that cinnamon coming through on this. This one's gonna be a good one. Made this one a few times, and I felt it's time for you guys to try it out. We'll bring this up to a simmer. I'm gonna get it down to probably about at least half to a third. It's gonna be a thin sauce. This is not a thick sauce. Maybe 20-25 minutes. We'll let it rock and roll. I'll bring you back.
Awesomeness right there. About 4.5 hours. Alright y'all, these turned out awesome.
Alright, it's been about 25 minutes. As you can see, we took it way down. Like I said, this is not a thick sauce. This will thicken up a little bit when we let it cool. This right here is what I'm looking for. Go to your desired consistency. Let me take a little taste here. Stuff is awesome. You definitely gotta give this a shot right here. Got the sweet, you got that coffee. Damn. Definitely give it a shot. We're just gonna shut it down and kick it back.
Check that out. Let's see what the sauce does. Alright, we're gonna pour some of this sauce right on that one and that one for now. Alright, here we go with the sauce. Hope for the best. It smelled fantastic. Cinnamon is the #1 kicker, and then that coffee rub kicks in a little bit. Sweet, the brown sugar. Oh yeah, this is actually a nice sweet glaze. I'll leave a link to Tango Joe, his Midnight Espresso. I've also tried his Italian, and it is pretty kicking. If you like Italian, you're gonna like that one. I'll leave a link to Craig at the end of this video and down below. Alright folks, it's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. We will see you, and you over there, next Sunday. Yeah. See ya.